you fucking losers, and welcome to episode 2. This isn't Sesame Street, so I ain't gonna teach you how to count. Not a big fan of math. So today I'm making something that everyone's been hounding me for since I first put it up on Instagram like fucking 10 years ago. Today I'm making my mac and cheese so that you guys can leave me the fuck alone and stop hounding me for the recipe. This is my recipe. Mine. So when people tell you it's the bomb fucking diggity, don't go telling them that it's something that you invented, because you didn't, and I know. Because I think I made it when I was drunk. And that's why it is so good. I guess I should probably start cooking and showing you cunts how to do shit, because, well, you're fucking stupid and you don't know how. That's why you're watching this video, or else you wouldn't be watching this video because you would already know what to do. I bet I just blew your fucking mind. You like that, didn't you? Yeah, just a little bit. Well, I hate myself. Let's do this. In a large pot, you want to put in some H2O and some salt and some olive oil. So once your water is boiling, you can then go ahead and add the macaroni. I'm not going to tell you how to live your life or give you measurements, because I am a Spaniard and measurements aren't a thing that we have. We just measure with our eyes. Cook it till you're happy with it, because then you can't blame me for telling you to cook it for too long or not long enough, and then you complain, and then I get emails, and it's not something that I want to be a fucking part of. While your pasta boils, you want to do some good old prep. I use about half a block of bio cheese. You do want to make sure that you grate it, because if you don't grate it, it doesn't melt properly, and then you're stuck with big clumps of goo. And if you're like heaps lazy, they definitely have an already grated version. You also want to get some garlic granules, little tiny garlic pieces that are dry. You can buy them in the herb section, spices section. I don't fucking know. Go to Coles or Woolies and grab some garlic. Wait, this is driving me nuts. Granules, garlic granules. These things, or you can use like fresh garlic. I substitute my fresh shit because it just goes off, because I'm not really home for long periods of time. But that's a me problem, not a you problem. So if you use heaps of fresh garlic, you can use that too. How many cloves? Couldn't fucking tell you. You also want to get some nutlex buttering. This shit is a gift from the gods, but you'll be using this later. And some form of plant-based milk. Then you want some salt, pepper. It's not very fucking hard. When I would have this as leftovers, I definitely add sriracha in it because I'm gross like that. You do you. I'm not gonna tell you how to live your life. You do what the fuck you want to do. I'm done with this. Done. I personally don't like hard pasta, al dente, or whatever the fuck they call it. I think it's garbage, and I think you're just lazy and you didn't fucking want to wait to cook it all, so you just said, yeah, that'll do. Now I know this isn't a thing that a lot of people do, but you probably fucking should, and that's clean your pasta when it's done. And then you want to put this back in the pot. So this is when you want to start adding all the shit that I told you about before. I like to add a fuckload of butter. So I usually do, like, I wish I was kidding. I do a fuckload. You also, at the same time, want to add your garlic. This is just according to taste. I like garlic because I'm a sick fuck. And it's good for you. You want to keep this like constantly moving because the fuckers do stick. But with your bowl of bio cheese, you want to start adding it gradually, bit by bit. It smells fucking sick. Fuck it. You can just go in there. So once you see it becoming like heaps stringy, you then want to add some milk. I usually add a wee bit, just because it makes it heaps creamier. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. So as you can see, it does the gooey, goopy texture, which means that it's done. Smidge of coriander. There you have it. Mac and cheese. My favorite bit is where I get to be like Nigella Lawson at the end of it and eat it. Would I share it with my friends? Probably, because there's a lot of it to eat, but if this was the only amount of food that I had, definitely not. Enjoy, losers. You're eating hair.